Welcome to World Knowledge Channel. Detecting signs of cancer early is very important, making treatment easier. However, most patients only really pay attention and go to the hospital for a checkup when they see clear signs. At that time, the disease has entered a severe stage, treatment becomes difficult, even impossible. Currently, world medical literature records about 200 cancers. The most common are lung cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, cervical cancer, nasopharyngeal cancer. Each type of cancer has different signs, many of which are easily confused. With common health symptoms. First, poor hand and foot movements, loss of balance. A healthy person with normal physical activity who suddenly constantly drops things, loses balance, and is often a bit clumsy, and clumsy could be another sign of brain cancer. If a tumor forms on the brainstem, where the brain connects to the spinal cord, it will block and disrupt communication between the brain and the rest of the body. This tumor can cause a person to become clumsy, lose balance, and have difficulty walking. This sign is easily overlooked by older people and thinks it is a sign of old age. Younger people think, because they've been overworked during this time, or have vestibular disorders, low blood pressure. So they're a bit dizzy. However, medical experts advise us to be cautious and not ignore any signs, especially when they appear suddenly and last for many days. 2. Sudden loss of interest in passion. There are many reasons why we give up a hobby or put aside a passion, such as running out of money or going far away. But when the conditions that nurture your passion are still there but you suddenly lose interest in it, it can also be a sign of brain cancer. According to the Brain Tumor Charity, 1 in 3 people with a brain tumor will experience personality changes. They suddenly have less interest in activities, lose interest in previous hobbies, and are indifferent to relationships and work. The reason is because as the tumor grows, it puts pressure on the healthy cells around it. If the tumor is located in the frontal lobe, which controls a person's emotions and personality, that person's personality will suddenly change. In some cases, because this part of the brain also regulates behavior, the person may also act in ways that may be considered socially inappropriate. 3. Weight loss. Sudden, short-term weight loss that is not caused by diet or stress can be one of the first signs of lung, stomach, esophageal or pancreatic cancer. Accordingly, the cause of weight loss is due to abnormal digestive tract or body-wide disorders caused by cancer. Therefore, if you have these signs, you should go to the hospital to check your health situation. 4. Hear voices in your head. Hearing random sounds, or as if someone suddenly called your name, can be a symptom of a mental health condition, but it can also be an early sign of cancer. Auditory hallucinations are often caused by the appearance of a tumor located in the temporal lobe, where the part of the brain that processes sound, understands language and encodes memory. Especially if the tumor presses on the nerve that sends signals from the ear to the brain, the person will often hear strange voices or strange sounds in his or her head. Medical experts advise anyone experiencing hallucinations that cause seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting or feeling things that seem real but are not real, to go to a specialized medical facility for examination. Early. 5. Abnormal skin changes. Some unusual signs on the skin such as color change, appearance of moles, erythema. Specifically, yellow skin, itching, and red rash worn of liver, kidney, ovarian or lymph node cancer. Or people with moles that have a rough surface, inconsistent color, and grow quickly with bleeding are also at risk of skin cancer. 6. Floating stool. Although it may sound strange, cancerous tumors in the pancreas can block the ducts of these glandular organs, impairing the function of secreting enzymes and bile, lecithin, bile salts and emulsifiers. Without this internal reaction, fats in food cannot be broken down, causing stools to become light, pale and float. This symptom is not necessarily pancreatic cancer. Floating stool can also be a sign of cystic fibrosis and celiac disease. But if you see floating stools with signs of loss of appetite, feeling tired, high temperature and yellow skin, you should go for a health checkup. 7. Swelling or lumps, lymph nodes. Cancer appears when tumors form due to excessive abnormal growth of cells, then metastasize to the lymph nodes of surrounding organs. Therefore, lumps and lymph nodes appearing anywhere on the body can be a sign of cancer. 8. Prolonged pain. During the process of growing and spreading, the cancerous tumor will compress the blood vessels and nerves in nearby tissues and organs, which can cause pain. Each person's pain threshold is different. Therefore, if you notice that the pain is long-lasting, new and of unknown cause, the pain does not improve with basic painkillers, or the pain level is getting worse, the patient should go to the hospital for examination. Early. Depending on the type of cancer and the corresponding compression manifestations, the location of pain will be different. For example, some brain tumors can cause headaches that last a long time and don't go away despite taking pain medication. And conversely, not all brain tumors cause headaches. 9. Nails change color. Paying attention to the color and shape of our nails can greatly benefit our health. Each person's nails will normally be light pink, shiny, and without ripples. But if blue, brown or black lines appear under your nails, it could be a sign that you have skin cancer. A change in nail shape can also indicate lung cancer, and suddenly pale white nails can be related to liver cancer. 10. Abnormalities in eating and digestion. If you feel choked in your neck, have difficulty swallowing, and feel stuck when swallowing, the cause cannot be ruled out as cancer of the tongue, nasopharynx, etc. In cases of flatulence, bloating, vomiting, and severe pain after eating can cause gastrointestinal cancer. 11. Sweat a lot. It's normal to sweat too much when it's hot, when you're exercising, or when you're sick. It can be a sign of many medical conditions, including menopause, anxiety, and low blood sugar. But if you wake up drenched in sweat and it lasts for days, it could be a sign of non-Hodgkin lymphoma, Hodgkin lymphoma, carcinoid tumor, leukemia, mesothelioma, bone cancer and even liver cancer. This is because changes in hormone levels can cause sweating and hot flashes, and some cancers can change a patient's hormone levels. It can be seen that cancer is increasingly common, with the death rate accounting for nearly 70% of cases. However, this terrible disease can be completely cured if detected early in the early stages. To ensure the health of yourself and your loved ones, you need to recognize signs of cancer as early as possible for timely treatment. If you find the video useful, please share with more people and subscribe to the channel. Like and have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for your interest in following. Hello and see you in the next video.